Alright guys, hi. How are you doing guys? It's been so long. That was not a fart. I swear that was not a fart. Take two. Action. Oh my goodness, you guys. Hi there YouTube. It has been so long, like really long, especially in YouTube years. It's better not to say, but it's been so long since I have been on YouTube for many reasons, which I'm not really gonna go into right now, but I just wanted to come in here and say hi to you guys, and I hope you guys are doing well, and you know, everything is going well in your life. You know, I missed you guys, and yeah, I missed YouTube, and yes, I missed being creative and sharing things with you guys. So I'm gonna be changing the gear and share with you guys what I feel like currently, and moving on, what will bring more value to you guys based on where I'm at in my life. So get ready for me to, I guess, open up and share with you guys more than I've ever have, and yeah, hopefully you guys will find it helpful. I just came in here to say hi guys, I missed you, and yeah, expect to see a lot more content dropping on this channel, although I've been gone for, I think it's been 2 years now. I have been every now and then recording videos here and there, so I might edit and add those videos in here too. So basically get ready, and I will be dropping new videos and coming out of the cave. Let's say that. And if you are new on this channel and you happen to click on this video, make sure you guys subscribe and be part of the family. And yeah, I just wanted to say I appreciate you guys, and stay tuned, okay?